industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces this new Force 2 system to the 1968 and 1969 Chevrolet Corvette with a small block V8 engine. This Crossmember-Back dual system features smooth, wrinkle-free 2 1/4 inch mandrel bent tubing. The mufflers are a specially tuned 60 series design featuring Flowmaster's patented Delta Flow technology. The system is finished off with beautifully polished stainless steel tips that exit in the stock fashion while still providing a custom performance look. As a Force 2 system, it will typically produce a mild interior sound level while providing a moderate performance tone on the exterior. So if you're looking for an increase in power, torque, and mileage with a performance sound that is pleasant to drive, this is the system for you.